In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the ruler in Google Docs, which is a helpful feature for managing the layout and alignment of text in your documents. Whether you're creating a business document, a school project, or any other type of document, having the ruler visible can be a real game changer in terms of formatting. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you are logged into your Google account and navigate to Google Docs. Open the document where you want to show the ruler. If you do not already have a document to work with, feel free to create a new one. This will provide you with a blank canvas to work on, helping you to see just how the ruler impacts your workspace. Once your document is open, focus your attention towards the top menu bar of the Google Docs interface. Here's where the tool you'll need is located. You're going to want to click on the View menu. This is usually positioned after the File and Edit menus, forming part of the standard suite of options available to help customize your workspace. Hover over the View option and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Within this drop-down, there are a number of options designed to help you adjust the display of your document interface. Among these, you'll want to locate an option that says Show Ruler. If the ruler isn't currently being displayed in your document, this option will appear unchecked or unticked. Go ahead and click Show Ruler. Immediately after doing this, you should notice that a ruler appears across the top and left-hand side of your document. This ruler is incredibly useful for setting margins, indents, and tab stops, allowing you to position text and other elements precisely on the page. The ruler is an essential tool for many formatting tasks, and now it's easily accessible for you to use whenever necessary. You can drag the indent indicators on the ruler to adjust first-line indents or hanging indents, which can be crucial when dealing with structured documents such as resumes or research papers. Great, you've now set up the ruler on your document. Remember, once you've switched on the ruler, it remains active until you decide to hide it. Simply retracing your steps through the View menu and clicking Show Ruler once again will hide it. If you ever find that you need a more simplified view of your document, you've reached the end of the process and your Google Docs document is now all set with a visible ruler. This extra layer of control helps ensure your documents are perfectly formatted, giving you that professional polish. Thanks for watching, and happy document